Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Soulganic Life. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of microgreens. But first, raise your hand if you're tired of boring salads. Well, get ready to ditch the iceberg lettuce because microgreens are here to take your salads from bland to bam. Not only are they a flavor and color explosion, but microgreens are also nutritional powerhouses, packing a punch of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, way more than their full-grown counterparts. So buckle up, veggie lovers, because we're about to explore the microgreen revolution. What are microgreens? Microgreens are basically baby vegetables and herbs that are harvested just after the cotyledon leaves appear, usually within 7 to 14 days of planting. They're super tiny, but don't let their size fool you. These little guys concentrate a wallop of nutrients. Studies show they can contain up to 40 times more vitamins and minerals than their mature counterparts. Look at these vibrant micro-basil beauties. They add a peppery kick to salads, sandwiches, and even smoothies. And these micro-arugula leaves? They're packed with vitamins A, C, and K, perfect for a healthy immune system boost. Alright, so we know microgreens are delicious and tiny nutrient bombs, but what exactly are those nutrients doing for our bodies? Disease fighters. Microgreens are loaded with antioxidants that help fight off free radicals, which can damage cells and contribute to diseases. Detox power. They're natural detoxifiers, aiding your body in eliminating toxins. Immune system boost. As we mentioned, microgreens are rich in vitamins A, C, and K, all essential for a strong immune system. Digestive health. Some microgreens, like broccoli sprouts, are high in fiber, which keeps your gut happy and healthy. Are you ready to cultivate your own microgreen magic? It's surprisingly easy. First, grab some shallow containers with drainage holes. Fill them with a good quality, organic potting mix. Now, the fun part, sprinkle your microgreen seeds on top of the soil. Don't overcrowd them. Easy to grow microgreens like sunflower shoots, pea shoots, and radish microgreens. Next, gently mist the soil with water and cover the container with a plastic lid to create a humid environment. Place it in a bright spot, but not in direct sunlight. Here comes the fun part, watching your microgreens sprout. They typically germinate within a few days. Once they have their first set of true leaves, it's harvest time. Snip them off just above the soil line, and voila! Fresh, homegrown microgreens for your next culinary creation. Now that you've got your microgreen bounty, let's get creative. Microgreen recipe ideas. Microgreen salad explosion. Ditch the boring lettuce and top your salad with a variety of microgreens for a flavor and nutrient fiesta. Microgreen pizza power. Elevate your pizza night by sprinkling microgreens on top of your freshly baked masterpiece. Microgreen power smoothie. Add a handful of microgreens to your next smoothie for a hidden veggie boost you won't even taste. The possibilities are endless. So, experiment, have fun, and explore the delicious and nutritious world of microgreens. Thanks for joining me on this microgreen adventure. If you want to learn more about specific microgreens and their health benefits, leave a comment.